Here we will create a window application to generate saving account for a customer. For this we will add a form. I will name it Forum SB Master. A blank form is added here. Now we will add controls on it. These are the different controls that we have added on the form. First is account number, then name of the customer, opening date of the account, opening balance, that is initial deposited amount to the account, payment mode, which may be cash or check, and if it is check, it will ask for check number. The tables that we have created for this form is, these are the two tables that we have created. First is SB Master, which fields account number, which is a primary key, name, opening date, opening balance, payment mode, and check number. And we have created the transaction table SB Trans, which fields account number, date, transaction type, that is deposit or withdrawal, then debit amount, credit amount. Credit amount means deposited amount and debit amount means withdrawal amount, balance, payment mode, check number, and status of the transaction, that is credit or debit. Now we will write the code for this form. Here I have written the provider. For this we have to import the OLEDB class using system.data.OLEDB. Then we have defined the connection string for connecting to the database. Then I have defined the OLEDB connection as a con, CMD as a command. Here I have written the set connection method to make the connection with the database. After this I have written this form clear method to clear all form before entering a new record or after saving the record to clear the form. Then I have written this got focus and lost focus methods, and I have written this on focus and on lost focus methods to set the focus, that is when the control has the focus it will change the background color of a control, and when the control lost the focus it will set the original background color of the control. I will call these methods after initializing the component, and this opening date I have set to the current date. After this I will write a click event for new button. Here first I call the form clear method to clear the form. Then I set the flag to A, which we are going to use in save buttons click event. Then I call the set connection method, and I am getting the maximum account number from the saving master table. That is, here I am going to generate this account number auto generate. So I used select max account number from SB master, and I will increase it by 1, and I will set the focus to account number. Then I will write the key down event for account number, which I will generate from property window, and here I will check if e.keycode equals keys.enter. It will set the focus to customer name, the text box with name txt cname. So I will set here focus txt cname dot focus. Then after customer name I will set the focus to opening date. So I will write the key down event for customer name. Here also I will check if e.keycode equals keys.enter. It will move focus to DTP OP date. The name given to the text boxes are account number, name, opening date, opening balance, payment mode, and check number. Name the control related to the data that you are going to accept in that control. After opening date, I will set the focus to OP balance. So I will create the key down event for opening date. Here also I will check if e.keycode equal to keys.enter. It will set focus to opening balance. So txt opbl dot focus. Then from opbl I will move focus to payment mode. So I will write key down event for opening balance. Here in payment mode item property I have added cash or check. So if the payment mode is cash, it will not accept the check number, and if it is check, it will accept the check number. So in key down event of payment mode I will check which item is selected. So if e.keycode equals keys.enter, here first I will check which item is selected. So if CMB mode dot selected index equal to 0, that is if cash is selected, our check number should be visible false. So txt chq number dot visible equal to false and lbl chqno dot visible equal to false, and if this is false I will set the focus to save button. Else if it is 1, I will make the check numbers to visible true and I will set the focus to check number. And at check numbers key down event I will check. Here I have written the key down event for all these text boxes, but no validation is made. If without entering anything in customer name, it will move focus to the opening date. So we have to make the validation. For this, at the key down event of customer name, I will first check whether the data is entered in the text box or not. For this, I will write if txt cname dot text equals blank, it will make e dot handled equal to true, that is it will set focus to customer name only, else it will set focus to opening date. So if I execute, it will not move focus to opening date. With this I will write a message also. I will give here message enter customer name, and if I execute, if I press enter key without entering any customer name, it will give message enter customer name and set focus to customer name only. I will make the validations for all this. I will make the validation for opening balance. Since here we are going to enter the amount, I will check it. If it is 0, text box value is string, so first I have to convert it. It will give the message enter amount greater than 0, and I will make e dot handled equal to true, else I will set the focus to payment mode. To check the validation for selected index, here first I will check if cmb mode dot selected index is less than 0, it will give the message select proper data, else it will check whether the selected index is 0 or 1. At payment mode key down event, we are going to check the payment mode is 0 or not. If payment mode is cash, we will assign check number dot text equal to dash. Since it is a string, it will give error while inserting the data. Now we will write the save buttons click event. First I will call the set connection method and then I will check if flag equal to A. Here we will write insert command. So cmd equal to new OLEDB command, insert into SB master. The fields that we are going to insert are account number, name, opening date. So first ACNUM, then CNAME, opening date, opening balance, then payment mode and check number, and we will give values. First account number, which is integer, so only double quote, plus txt sunm dot text plus double quote, comma, name which is string, so single quote double quote, plus txt cname dot text plus double quote single quote, comma, opening date, so hash double quote dtp op date dot value plus double quote hash, then payment mode which is string, so single quote double quote plus cmbp mode dot text plus double quote single quote, comma, check number which is also string, so single quote double quote, then connection object, and we will make cmd dot execute non-query. When we insert data in SB master, at the same time we will insert data in SB trans, that is in transaction table. So cmd equal to new OLEDB, insert into SB trans, and the fields that we are going to insert are account number, date, so ACNUM, comma, T date, then transaction type. Here transaction type means debit or credit. Since we are opening the account, we are going to deposit the amount, so default is CRAMT. Balance will be the same that we have deposited while opening the account, then P mode, CHQNO, and status which is default credit. Then we will give the values. So account number is integer, so plus txt sunum dot text plus double quote, comma, T date, that is opening date, op date dot value plus double quote hash, then transaction type which is default credit, that is we are going to deposit the amount, so default is credit, then credit amount, txt opbl dot text, balance will be the same amount, then payment mode, that is cmbp mode dot text, then check number, and status which is default credit, then connection object and cmd dot execute non-query. After this we will close the connection, call the form clear method to clear the form, set the flag equal to null, and we will set the focus to BTN new. Since default value of text box is string. We will convert the opening balance to integer. We will execute it. It will generate the account number. I will enter the customer name. Opening date is default, system date. Then opening balance. Payment mode, I will select cash. It will make check number visible false, and I will click on save button. It will insert the data. To check, I will open the table. Here data is inserted, and at the same time data is inserted in SB trans also. Now we will write code for modify button. I will click on modify button. Call the form clear. Then I will set the flag to M, and I will set the focus to account number. And at account numbers key down event, if I click on modify, it should display the data that we have insert. So at account number key down event, I will check if flag equal to M or flag equal to D. I will write the code to get data from the table. So here if flag is M or D, I will call the set connection method, and I will select data from the SB master table where account number is the text box value. I will open it in data reader, and I will assign the values of the database field to our text box. I will assign the payment mode to our combo box, and depend on the combo box value, I will set check number equal to visible false or true, and I will assign the check number value to our check number text box. And at save buttons click event, I will write the update query. So if flag equal to M, I will write the update query. Here I have written this update query, update SB master, and I will set the name, opening date, opening balance, where the account number value is the value entered in the text box. And at the same time, I will update the SB trans table also, where account number equal to same. While updating the SB trans with account number, I will check the transaction date also. So T date equal to hash double quote DTP OP date, and I will execute it. Here I will click on modify button. It will ask for account number. I will enter 1. It will display the data that we have entered. Here I will change the value 800 and save. It will change the opening balance to 800 in master and also in transaction. Now we will write code for deleting the record. So at account number key down event, we will write the code for delete the record. Here I have written this code for delete the record. It will ask, are you sure? And if you select yes, it will delete the record from SB master as well as SB trans. I will execute it. I will add another record. Here I will enter 500. Payment mode, I will give check. It will ask for check number. I will give check number, and I will save it. Data is inserted here in SB master as well as in SB trans. And on delete buttons click event, I will call form clear method first. Then I will set the flag equal to D. and I will set focus to account number. I will execute it. I will click on delete. I will enter the account number 2. It will display the data and it will ask, are you sure? If I click on yes, it will clear the data. Here I will set the focus if flag equal to A or flag equal to M. Then only I will set the focus to name. Now at cancels buttons click event, I will write a code. I will set the flag to blank null value. I will call the form clear and I will set the focus to BTN new. And now I will set the cancel button of the form to BTN cancel. So when we execute the form, I will enter the data. If I press escape key, it will clear the form and set focus to new button. Since I have set the cancel button of the form to cancel button, when I press escape, the code written behind the cancel button is executed. And at exit buttons click event, I will write this dot close.